Have you ever thought about working in Finland, a country known for its breathtaking natural landscapes, top-tier education system, and a lively work culture? Imagine working in one of Europe's wealthiest countries, ranking 8th in richness. Finland boasts a nearly 90% visa success rate, opening its doors wide for folks from all walks of life. The job market is diverse and booming, with opportunities ranging from civil engineering to hospitality. If you're interested, let me guide you through the process of obtaining a work permit in Finland. Securing a work permit in Finland is a straightforward process. Here's how you can go about it. The first thing you'll need is a valid work contract from a Finnish employer. This serves as your golden ticket, your evidence of an employment arrangement in Finland. So, start your journey by securing a job offer. Once you have a work contract, the next step is to showcase your educational qualifications. Except for seasonal work, a university degree relevant to your field of work is a must. This tells your prospective employer that you have the necessary knowledge and skills for the job. Now, it's not just about having a degree. You must also be professionally engaged in your field. In other words, your work activities should align with your area of expertise. This ensures that you're not just qualified on paper, but in practice too. Moving on, you'll also need to have a clean criminal record. This is crucial as it demonstrates your good character and respect for the law. Remember, any pending criminal charges could jeopardize your application. Next, you should pose no threat to Finland or its citizens. This is essentially a promise you make to respect the safety and security of your potential new home. Equally important is your commitment to uphold Finnish laws and regulations. This shows your willingness to integrate into Finnish society and live by its rules. Finally, you must not be subjected to any travel bans within the Schengen area. This ensures that you can travel freely across Schengen member countries, which is a key advantage of the Finnish work permit. Each of these steps is a necessary part of the process. They're designed to ensure that Finland continues to welcome skilled professionals who contribute positively to its workforce and adhere to legal and ethical standards. So, get your documents ready. Apply with confidence and prepare to embark on an exciting new chapter in your professional journey. Remember, compliance with these criteria is essential to secure your work visa in Finland. Welcome to the heart of the Finnish work ecosystem. As you embark on this journey, it's essential to understand the work culture in Finland, which is known for its efficiency, punctuality, and respect for personal space. Finns value punctuality and expect the same from their colleagues. In Finland, time is money. Being late is often considered disrespectful, so always strive to be on time for your work commitments. The work environment in Finland is characterized by a flat hierarchy. This means everyone, regardless of their position, is treated with equal respect. The Finnish culture promotes open communication and encourages employees to voice their opinions, fostering a democratic work environment. Finns also value the concept of sisu, a Finnish term loosely translated as strength of will, determination, perseverance, and acting rationally in the face of adversity. This concept is deeply ingrained in their work ethics, pushing them to strive for the best even in challenging times. Personal space is highly respected in Finland. While Finns are friendly, they tend to maintain a comfortable distance during conversations. This respect for personal space extends to their communication style, which is often direct and to the point. They believe in saying what they mean and meaning what they say without unnecessary embellishments. Lastly, work-life balance is a significant part of the Finnish work culture. Finns value their time outside of work and believe in maintaining a healthy balance between professional commitments and personal life. This can be seen in their flexible work hours and generous vacation policies. Understanding these nuances will help you integrate smoothly into the Finnish work culture and make the most of your professional journey in Finland. In the next scene, we will discuss the benefits of working in Finland, which make it an alluring destination for global professionals. In this scene, we'll dive into the vast pool of job opportunities that Finland has to offer. Whether you're an unskilled worker or a skilled professional, there's a place for you in the Finnish workforce. Unskilled positions include roles such as farmers, kitchen assistants, delivery drivers, cleaners, waitresses, factory workers, retail workers, cooks, and sales representatives. Skilled roles, on the other hand, encompass professions like caregivers, IT professionals, banking and finance experts, accountants, and many more. The application link for these jobs is conveniently provided in the description below. However, keep in mind that landing a job in Finland requires more than just finding an open position. It's pivotal to understand that when applying for jobs abroad, including in Finland, your CV can make or break your chances of securing employment. Finland, like many other countries, has distinct CV patterns that you need to adhere to. Therefore, taking the time to tailor your CV to meet the specific requirements of the Finnish job market can significantly increase your chances of success. Ensure that your CV accurately reflects your skills, qualifications, and experiences, aligning with the expectations of potential employers in Finland. This includes showcasing your understanding of Finnish work culture, your ability to adapt, and your commitment to maintaining the high standards that Finnish employers expect. So, as you prepare to explore these exciting job opportunities, remember the importance of a well-crafted CV. It's not just a document, it's your introduction to potential employers and a reflection of your professional persona. In the next scene, we'll delve into the myriad benefits of working in Finland, further highlighting why Finland is an alluring destination for global professionals. As an international job seeker, your journey to employment in Finland can be significantly simplified by engaging the services of recruitment agencies. These organizations provide valuable support and guidance, helping you navigate the Finnish job market. Today, we're going to talk about 7 notable agencies that stand out for their expertise and assistance. Firstly, we have. This agency is known for its diverse range of job opportunities and personalized approach to job placement. Next is specializing in foreign recruitment. Finwords has a vast network of employers across various industries in Finland. The third agency is. Their comprehensive services cater to both temporary and permanent positions, ensuring that you find a role that best suits your skills and career aspirations. Fourth on our list is Easy offers a unique blend of traditional recruitment services and digital solutions, making the job search process seamless. Is the fifth agency. Known for its tailored approach, Relocate works closely with candidates to match them with the right employers. The sixth agency is. With a strong reputation in the recruitment industry, StaffPoint is a reliable partner for job seekers in Finland. Lastly, we have This global recruitment giant has a strong presence in Finland, offering a wide range of job opportunities across various sectors. These agencies specialize in connecting international talents with suitable job opportunities in Finland. Whether you are seeking temporary positions, permanent roles, or specialized career paths, these recruitment agencies play a crucial role in facilitating the job search process. Consider exploring their services to enhance your prospects in the Finnish job market. In the next scene, we'll delve into the myriad benefits of working in Finland. Working in Finland comes with a host of benefits. Imagine immersing yourself in a dynamic work environment where you're not just earning a living, but truly living. Here, you'll find a culture that values work-life balance. The Finnish work culture promotes a healthy mix of hard work during the day and ample time for relaxation and personal pursuits. And the benefits don't stop at the office door. Your Finland work visa also grants you the privilege of relocating with your family. It's a chance to provide your loved ones with a life filled with top-notch education, fantastic healthcare, and a safe, clean environment. Plus, don't forget the added advantage of gaining access to 26 Schengen countries. It's like holding the keys to a treasure trove of travel opportunities. These benefits make Finland an enticing destination for those seeking both career advancement and a high quality of life. Let's recap what we've covered about obtaining a work permit in Finland. This Nordic gem, known for its stunning landscapes and vibrant work culture, offers a wealth of opportunities for those seeking professional growth and a high standard of living. To tap into these prospects, a Finland work permit is your ticket, and it comes with the added bonus of family relocation and access to 26 Schengen countries. The process is straightforward. A nominal fee of €80 and a 10 working day wait could see you securing a one-year permit, renewable and with a high likelihood of approval given Finland's 90% visa success rate. What's more, the country's current labor shortage across a variety of sectors means there's a high demand for skilled professionals, from civil engineers and IT specialists to caregivers and hospitality workers. But what do you need to be eligible? First, a valid work contract in Finland. Second, a university degree in your field of work, unless you're seeking seasonal employment. Third, professional engagement in your field. Fourth, a clean criminal record. Fifth, you must not pose a threat to Finland or its citizens. Sixth, you must abide by all Finnish laws. And seventh, you should not be subjected to any travel bans within the Schengen area. With these points in mind, you can confidently navigate your journey to working in Finland. Good luck. Embarking on the journey to obtain a work permit in Finland opens doors to a distinctive professional and personal experience. Here are some enticing details about Finland work permits. Number 1. Work-life balance. Finland consistently secures high rankings in global studies on work-life balance. The Finnish working culture respects personal time and promotes a healthy work-life balance. Number 2. Innovative work environment. Recognized as a hub for innovation and technology, Finland places a strong emphasis on research and development. This nurturing environment could be the perfect place for your professional growth. Number 3. Equal opportunities. Finland is renowned for its commitment to gender equality and equal opportunities in the workplace. No matter your gender, age, ethnic background, or disability, you will be valued for your skills and contributions. Number 4. Quality education. If you're planning to move with your family, Finland's globally renowned education system is a significant asset. It's one of the best in the world, providing high-quality education to all, free of charge. Number 5. Nature and outdoor activities. Finland's stunning landscapes, from the northern lights to the Thousand Lakes, offer abundant opportunities for outdoor activities. It's a paradise for nature lovers. Number 6. Sauna culture. Saunas are integral to Finnish culture, and many workplaces provide saunas for employees. It's a great way to relax and socialize with your colleagues. Number 7. Language opportunities. While Finnish is the official language, many Finns are fluent in English. This makes it easier for English speakers to adapt. Plus, it's a great opportunity to learn a new language. Number 8. Efficient public services. Known for its efficient public services, Finland offers high-quality healthcare and public transportation. These services significantly contribute to the high standard of living in the country. Number 9. Active tech scene. If you're in the tech industry, Finland boasts a dynamic tech scene with a particular focus on startups and innovation. It's a hotbed of opportunities for tech professionals. And finally, number 10. Work permit process. The process of obtaining a work permit in Finland is streamlined and transparent, making it easier for you to start your Finnish journey. Relocating to Finland unfolds a plethora of benefits, culminating in a high quality of life and an unparalleled living experience. So, are you ready to take the leap? Or let's now delve deeper into the notable advantages that underscore the appeal of moving to Finland. Number 1. High quality of life. Finland consistently secures top rankings in global quality of life indices, offering a lifestyle that is both fulfilling and balanced. Number 2. Safety and low crime rates. Renowned for its safety, Finland boasts one of the world's lowest crime rates, ensuring a peaceful living environment. Number 3. Excellent education system. Finland's globally acclaimed education system is a significant asset, providing high-quality education to all, free of charge. Number 4. Innovative work environment. As a hub for innovation and technology, Finland offers a nurturing environment perfect for professional growth. Number 5. Nature and outdoor activities. Finland's picturesque landscapes provide ample opportunities for outdoor activities, making it a paradise for nature lovers. Number 6. Work-life balance. The Finnish work culture places a premium on achieving a healthy work-life balance, respecting personal time and promoting worker well-being. Number 7. Sauna culture. Saunas, deeply ingrained in Finnish culture, are commonplace in residences and workplaces, offering a unique way to relax and socialize. Number 8. Efficient public services. Finland's public services, including high-quality healthcare and public transportation, are recognized for their efficiency. Number 9. Language opportunities. While Finnish is the official language, many Finns are proficient in English, making it easier for English speakers to adapt. Number 10. Equality and inclusion. Finland prioritizes equality and inclusion, valuing individuals for their skills and contributions regardless of gender, age, ethnic background, or disability. Number 11. Active tech scene. Particularly focused on startups and innovation, Finland boasts a dynamic tech scene that offers a hotbed of opportunities for tech professionals. And finally, number 12. Social support system. Finland's well-established social support system provides crucial assistance to those in need, contributing to the high standard of living in the country. While individual experiences may vary, these factors collectively contribute to the overall appeal of relocating to Finland, promising a unique blend of professional opportunities, a harmonious lifestyle, and a strong sense of community and well-being. Before we wrap up, let's take a moment to consolidate what we've learned so far. When considering applying for a work permit in Finland, it's essential to do your research based on your individual circumstances. Remember, the process can differ significantly for EU and non-EU citizens. Having understood the Finnish work culture, the job opportunities available, and the benefits of working in Finland, it's clear that the country offers a unique blend of professional growth and an exceptional quality of life. The advantages of moving to Finland that we discussed earlier further underscore its appeal as a destination for international professionals. The next steps involve crafting a compelling CV, exploring job opportunities, and reaching out to recruitment agencies that can help you secure a job in Finland. Don't forget to review the details about Finnish work permits and ensure you meet all the requirements before you proceed with your application. Remember, the journey to working in Finland may seem daunting, but with the right guidance and preparation, it's an achievable goal. Take one step at a time and remember to stay motivated throughout the process. We hope this video has provided you with a comprehensive overview of what to expect when seeking employment in Finland. Thanks for watching. We really appreciate our returning subscribers. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please do so now. Don't forget to like, share and comment on this video and click on the notification bell so that you don't miss out on any of our future content.